I am Arifa Khatun, Assistant Teacher, Chad Sultana Girls School, Kustia Shodor, Kustia. How are you? In my previous class, I take English first paper. Today, I also take English first paper, class 9 and 10. Unit 7, lesson 1. Dear students, I think you have a textbook in front of you, and please look at the textbook and open the page and unit 7 lesson 1 and try to look at the picture unit 7. I think all over you see the picture. There are some peoples here, everybody see it, and do you know also there are various people around us who stand out. Okay, our today's lesson is Zainul Abidin, the great artist. Zainul Abidin, the great artist. Sorry. Great artist. Our today's lesson, Zainul Abidin, the great artist. Okay, my dear students, you know the name Zainul Abidin, the great artist. He is the founding father of modern art of Bangladesh. Before going to our lesson, we know some vocabs or vocabulary. So, dear students, I write down the vocabs in the board. You also write it in your notebook. Okay. Pioneer, that means Bengali meaning is Agrodut, and it is a parts of species noun. Okay, that means leader. We all of you know leader means Neta. Okay, we make sentence with the words pioneer. You are the pioneer of the art. You are the pioneer of the art. আপনি হচ্ছেন এই শিল্পের অগ্রদূত. Okay, dear students, going to the next vocabs word sinister. Sinister, that is a word, is a adjective. Sinister means ashubho. Its Bengali meaning, that means evil. That means evil. Okay, now we make sentence in the word sinister. Okay, there is something there is something sinister. There is something sinister about his face. There is something sinister about his face. Okay, we know another vocabs. That means scarce. 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 Scarce means design. It is a parts of space noun. Design. That means something draw. He sketches. He sketches something in his drawing paper. He sketches something in his drawing paper. Okay, dear students, now going to another word, necked. Necked. Neck. That is a parts of a space noun. Necked means scales. Scales. Okay. Necked. Make sentence with the word necked. He developed a neck for drawing at the end. Okay, my dear student, you write down these vocabs and also make sentence with the words and practice it. Okay. Okay, dear students, before going to our lesson, we learned some important vocabs that helps you to understand the text. Okay, we are going to our text, section A. Read the text and answer the questions that follow. Okay, everybody, look at your English for Today text book and understand the meaning of the text. The pioneer of Bangladeshi modern art, Zainul Abidin, is widely acclaimed for his Bengal feminine sketches. এখানে বলছে যে বাংলাদেশের আধুনিক শিল্পের যে পথিকৃৎ বগ্রদূত জয়নুল আবেদিন তিনি ব্যাপকভাবে প্রশংসিত হয়েছিলেন তার বাংলার দুর্ভিক্ষের ছবি এঁকে। Through the series of sketches Jainul not only documented the harsh famine of 1943 but also showed its sinister face through the skeletal figures of the people destined to die of starvation in a man-made flight. এখানে বলছে যে জয়নুল আবেদিন শুধুমাত্র 1943 সালের প্রকৃতিগত ছবি এঁকেই তিনি প্রতিষ্ঠিত হননি, বরং তিনি মানুষের তৈরি যে দুর্দশা বা মানুষের তৈরি যে দুর্ভিক্ষর অনাহারে মানুষের মৃত্যু যে নিয়তি ছিল সেটাও তিনি সুন্দর করে এই ছবির মাধ্যমে ফুটিয়ে তুলেছেন। ম্যান মেড প্লাইট মিন্স এখানে মানুষের তৈরি দুর্দশা বা দুর্ভিক্ষ। He depicted these extremely shocking pictures with a human compassion. Depicted means এখানে দেখানো, তিনি চিত্রিত করেছেন তার ছবির মাধ্যমে মারাত্মকভাবে এই ছবিগুলো মানুষের সহানুভূতি বা মানুষের আবেগঘনর ভিতর দিয়ে। He made his own ink by burning charcoal and used stiff ordinary packing paper for sketching. মূলত তিনি যে তার ছবি আঁকার জন্য রংটা তৈরি করতেন এটা হচ্ছে কাঠকয়লা পুড়িয়ে, এবং তিনি ব্যবহার করতেন খুবই সাধারণ প্যাকিং পেপারগুলো, মোড়কগুলো। ইউজিং দ্য ইঙ্ক অ্যান্ড অ্যাপ্লাইং দ্য ব্রাশ ওয়ার নেসেসারি, তিনি কালি এবং তুলির সাহায্যে ব্যবহার করতেন, যেখানে প্রয়োজন সেখানে ব্রাশটা ব্যবহার করতেন। He produced the drawings and sketches which later became iconic images of human suffering. তিনি আসলে যেটা তার ছবির মাধ্যমে স্কেচ করেছেন, ছবিটা নকশাকার তৈরি করেছিলেন, পরবর্তীতে এটাই তাকে একজন আদর্শ প্রতীক হিসেবে মানব জাতির যে সাফারিংটা ছিল, অ্যাকচুয়ালি দুর্দশা ছিল, এটি প্রতীকীভাবে তিনি তুলে ধরেছেন। জয়নুল developed a knack for drawing the painting when he was a high school student. জয়নুল আবেদিন খুবই দক্ষতা দেখিয়েছিলেন তার রং করার ক্ষেত্রে এবং ছবি আঁকার ক্ষেত্রে তিনি যখন হাই স্কুলের ছাত্র ছিলেন। After completing high school, he took admission in the government school of art, Calcutta, now Kolkata. তখন তিনি কলকাতার আফটার কমপ্লিটিং হাই স্কুল মানে তার হাই স্কুলে লেখাপড়াটা শেষ করে তিনি কলকাতার আর্ট স্কুলে, সরকারি আর্ট স্কুলে ভর্তি হয়েছিলেন, যেটাকে তখন বলা হতো ক্যালকাটা, বর্তমানে বলা হয় কলকাতা। He graduated with the first position in the first class in 1938. তিনি স্নাতক অর্জন করেছিলেন 1938 সালে প্রথম শ্রেণীতে প্রথম স্থান অধিকার করে। He was appointed a teacher of the art school while he was still a student there. ওই সময়ে তিনি ওইখানকার স্টুডেন্ট থাকাকালীন সময়ে তিনি এখানে টিচার হিসেবে আর্ট স্কুলে যোগদান করেছিলেন বা নিয়োগ পেয়েছিলেন। He also attended the Slade School of Arts, London during 1951-52. 1951 থেকে 52 সাল পর্যন্ত তিনি স্লেড স্কুলেও যোগদান করেছিলেন। ওকে ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, দিস লেসন ইজ ভেরি বিগ, so I divide it two parts. There are 4 paras in the whole lesson, so today I completed 2 parts of the lesson, and another class I took you the another 2 parts. So today I teach you only the 2 parts. Okay dear students, I think you easily understand the meaning of the lesson, so I clearly take it in Bengali meaning. Okay my dear students, now we are going to take some question and answer. Okay, please turn over the page and see the pictures. Another page, I see it you. There are 3 pictures or sketches. Okay, another, there are also 4 pictures. Here you see it. They are all pictures that drawing Jainul Abidin, the great artist of Bangladeshi modern art. Okay, you know Jainul Abidin, the great artist. We also know it in our textbook. So today I cover 3 sections of the passage. One is read and understand the text. vocabulary understand, and another ask and answer questions. Okay, dear students, write down the answer of the questions in your note. So our first question is, who is Zainul Abidin? Who is Zainul Abidin? Okay, you also write it in your who is Zainul Abidin? Okay, please write it in your note. If you write it in your note and match the answer of me, you write first, then I write it. We know that Zainul Abidin is a pioneer of Bangladeshi modern art and the great artist of Bangladesh. So we write down it. Who is Zainul Abidin? Zainul Abidin is the Zainul Abidin is the pioneer of Bangladeshi modern art. Okay, please write down it in your note. Zainul Abidin is the pioneer of Bangladeshi art. Who is Zainul Abidin? Okay, our next question is, okay, Zainul Abidin is the pioneer. Who is the founding father of Bangladeshi art? Who is the founding father of Bangladeshi art? Who is the founding father of Bangladeshi art? All of you know Zainul Abidin is the founding father of Bangladeshi art. Answer: Zainul Abidin is the founding father of Bangladeshi art. Okay, my dear students, write down it in your khata, notebook, and when you start for school, you read it very properly in your home. Okay, my dear student, I think you know the passage very well and understand it. Okay, and now we are going to our homework. Okay, homework. homework. Write down 10 sentences. Write down 10 sentences about a well-known person that you know. Actually, write down 10 sentences about a well-known person that you know. Actually, you write only 10 sentences your well-known person. Okay, our today's class is dear students, at last I say to you, stay home and stay safe, because the day is very serious for all of us. Okay, and you maintain your health and hygiene, and also stay home, and obviously you read your lesson properly, and next day we take another class. See you. Allah Hafiz.